Hi, this is Pearl Sanchez again, and reporting on the chicken wing dissection. I'll do my best to point out a few of the parts of this chicken wing. So here we have the articular cartilage, okay, and it's not easily seen. It's very difficult to cut off the layers. The scissors weren't really working very well, but did my best. But so we have the articular cartilage there, and then we have the articular capsule, and then within that we have the synovial membrane, and then within that we have the synovial fluid. Okay, and then what is connecting here? We have the ulna and radius of the chicken wing here, and the humerus here. Sorry, I'm looking in the video to make sure I'm pointing where I need to be pointing. So we have um, two joints here. So we have the joint here, and of course tendons help with the motion of those joints, or the wing overall, in combination with muscles. So there it is. Apologies that can't see too much. I can see it from this angle a little bit more, but it's very difficult to get on the video. I'm trying my best here, but hopefully that's okay. And I can see it when I'm peeling back here. I just didn't want to, or I had a hard time cutting that particular piece at the joint there with the scissors provided in the kit. But there we have it. Put this down really quick. And then in terms of synovial joints and different types of diseases, one such disease would be rheumatoid arthritis. And with rheumatoid arthritis, basically the immune system, basically your body starts to attack itself and attack those joints, attack the cartilage between those bones. And there's various stages, but basically it's inflammation of those points. And sorry, my kids. And then there's so the inflammation is what we see is what's happening is actually the thickening of the synovial membrane. And of course, that later leads to deformations and, of course, symptoms of pain. And it can spread from there to include, if it's not, treated or caught early, hopefully, but it could cause the joints to fuse together. So that's rheumatoid arthritis in a nutshell. Thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, please feel free to shoot them my way. I'll be happy to elaborate more if I was missing something, or if you need me to take another video closer or try again on this dissection, if I could pick up some additional scissors somewhere, maybe by your recommendation. Thank you very much for your time.